Hey guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and here we are yet again with another recap of what happened in today's gold forex trading strategies and the XAUUSD market in general, because we had again one of those crazy days that we've been all used to already by this point, and I'm so excited to show you guys what happened today as well. Welcome back guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and like I mentioned in the intro, today we have another recap of what happened in the XAUUSD trading strategies for today. Like I mentioned yesterday, we've been having some really crazy month right now, and today was no different. I really need to show you guys what happened today, because as yesterday, today was crazy enough. Like that crazy. So let's get on into the charts. Okay guys, so you should be able to see the XAUUSD trading strategy for today's market, and like you can see, we have a increase, this time a bullish trend in the XAUUSD trading strategies for today. And again, we are looking at some crazy insane potential pips right here that we're gonna go into details in a few seconds. But what I want to explain you guys first is what I'm using here. So what you can see on the screen is the momentum trading indicator, which is a proprietary indicator created by us here at Trade Labs in order to give you the most powerful and informative view of the gold forex trading market that you can possibly have. And this chart and this indicator basically has completely changed the way that I'm looking at the XAUUSD trading strategies, because this is a game changer. Now what you can see on the screen would be the green areas and the red areas. These represent the direction of the market and the actual volumes of it, okay? Now the little bars represent the price of the strategy and what you need to know in order to make informed decisions. Of course, with the combination of these two and additional the chart notifying you of any starting point of a trend change, which is a massive help, because let's be serious, all forex traders would be looking at a, let's say, notification of when actually is the time to get into the chart and have a look at what's happening. But now this indicator is doing exactly that, and that on top of the clear view with like really powerful information, really powerful trends that you can clearly understand, this is making a night and day difference in your trading game. Either that being for the XAUUSD trading strategies or for any kind of forex market, you are still going to benefit using the momentum trading indicator. Like, who doesn't want to have a really clear picture of what happens in the XAUUSD trading strategy for that specific day, and have it in a way that it's so clear to understand that you literally cannot miss it? With this momentum trading indicator, you have literally no excuse into making wrong decisions in the market. And we all know that the XAUUSD trading strategies are the trickiest market to play with, especially because it's so volatile. You can easily get burnt in a matter of seconds. So if you're new to the market or you're not so experienced with a traditional candlestick chart, which is just a bunch of squiggly lines and it doesn't give you the information that you need in order to make informed decisions, then you might as well get burned and just drop from the market, because this can turn really ugly really fast. Unless you have something like the momentum trading indicator, which helps you from the get-go, which I'm using right now. Okay, so coming back to this snapshot of today's XAUUSD trading strategies, this is just a little bit from what happened in today's market, and just a little snippet, just one of the trends that we had going on today. So this is a trend that started just around 2:45 o'clock in the afternoon and went all the way until just around 3:15 o'clock. So this trend lasted for about half an hour, and as you can see here, this is a massive, really powerful trend that we are looking at. And boy, the behind the scenes of this trend. The potential is mind-blowing, especially if you're new to the market and you're not used to what happened in the past month. It's insane. And on that, I would suggest for you to go back to the previous videos and have a look, because we are talking about hundreds of thousands of pips potential. And I'm not kidding, I'm not making that number up. I'm literally talking about true potential that anyone could have made if you had something really useful to help you with. Now, coming back to the chart, we are looking just around this point that I'm highlighting on the screen right now. This would be the moment where the momentum trading indicator has indicated the starting point of a trend change just around at 3 o'clock today. And this lasted all the way, like I mentioned, until 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So roughly half an hour. Okay, now if we were to understand the actual potential behind this snippet of the XAUUSD trading strategies, we would be mind blown, and we're gonna get into that just now. So if we were to look just at the potential of this trend, and I'm talking about just the potential of one trend, okay, just one trend. There were loads today to choose from, but this one just caught my eye, so let's have a look. So if we were to take the lowest point of this trend, which would be at a price point of, let's say, 1893, and if we were to consider the highest point of the trend, which would be around here at about 1914 as a price point, we would be looking at a difference of 21 points. And for those of you guys who don't know, points are not pips, but you can easily calculate your pips by multiplying the number of points that you have with 100, and there you go, you have your pips. Now, in our situation that we can see here on the screen, we would be looking at multiplying 21 points with 100, and that would give you an insane potential of 2,100 pips into one trend in half an hour. If that's not insane, then I don't know what is. And you know, I'm saying that a lot, especially lately, especially in the last month, because that's how gold has been behaving, okay? We can't help it. This is really good to see and really exciting news from the XAUUSD trading strategies, because every day, you have some really good, really powerful trends easily spottable that you can just take advantage of. Imagine 2,100 pips in the XAUUSD trading strategy for today into one trend into half an hour. That's all it took to make your day. And I'm talking about a lot in terms of the amounts. If you don't believe me, then go ahead and check it. So that was it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it and you found it informative and useful. And I hope I can give you guys some insight, tips and tricks on how to, let's say, handle the XAUUSD trading strategy market, because it's quite tricky to play around with, especially if you don't know what you're doing or if you're new to the market or not so experienced. But something like the momentum trading indicator to help you out and basically tell you when to get in and when to get out is crucial in terms of your experience and your trading skills. Now, think about it. We are talking about a potential of 2,100 pips into one trade in the XAUUSD trading strategies for today. And that's just one of the many examples that the momentum trading indicator can definitely help with. Speaking of which, if you'd like to try our new trend trading indicator, then click the link below and sign up for a free trial. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys, and found it informative and really good for you and your trading skills. If you did, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. That's it for me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.